Ravioli Rhapsody. That's what we're making today. Okay, so my sister's still here this week working with us, and aren't you having a great time?
I'm having a great time. Big fun.
So we are going to make you a very easy supper idea dish, and I'm going to call it Ravioli Rhapsody.
Okay.
I asked ChatGPT for it to name it. So Rhapsody, is actually for music, harmony and all this, that goes together. Yeah, bohemian. Yeah, and the feeling. And anyway, so this is harmony. This is harmony.
Okay.
It's all going to go together really, really good.
Nice.
So I've got a casserole dish. I'm going to go ahead and brown this. We've got some sweet Italian sausage, and we're going to brown that in our electric skillet. I'm going to let LaDonna do that. And then we've got our oven set at 350 degrees, which is frozen ravioli. And you can get any kind that you want. You can get the ones with the meat already in them. They have some that have spinach already in them. So get any kind you want. And this is a bag of frozen. I got 2 bags. These are 1 pound bags. So what you're going to do is just dump your first bag down here on the bottom. This is going to make quite a bit.
Oh, good.
So you can do leftovers. I'll just show you. Look at all of that. Look at all of them raviolis. Sausage browned up. Oh, wait. What? I messed up. I already messed up. Hold on. I already messed up. God damn it. All right, let's pour these back in here. There we go. First thing you're going to do, thanks, is put some sauce in the bottom. All right. Now, you can get, I'm trying to think of the names of sauces.
What's the name?
Prego. You can get Prego, Ragu, but I like Rayo's. Rayo's is my favorite one. Now, it's a little expensive.
Yes.
But it's the best.
It is.
Is it not the best?
Yeah, but you know what? Sam sells them in a 2-pack.
Oh, okay.
For like $9.
Okay, so go to oven's ready. All right, so go to Sam's and get them in the 2-pack. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this out first. I don't know what I was thinking. I had a little moment there. I'm going to put a little tiny bit of water in here and get the rest of this out. But I do love Rayo's.
Do you notice how quietly I am mashing this?
Yeah. You're so quiet. Thanks for being so considerate. I appreciate that.
My pleasure.
She's talking about Greg, how he just bangs on everything. Yeah, well, I'm trying to talk. There you go.
No, hold on.
Excuse me.
Hello, sir.
All right, so you're going to put this on the bottom. Sorry. All right, now we're going to put our raviolis on the bottom. Just like this. Nice. It's going to be so good. All right. We're going to get this browned up, and then we're going to put it right on top.
Oh, I definitely do.
We get up at the same exact time. So every time you're here.
Yeah, every time.
Every time you're here, I go to the bathroom, and here she comes. Every time. We have the same bladder timer.
It's called Old Lady Bladder.
I'm telling you, I know, right?
Yes.
Anything you drink after 6 o'clock,
Oh my gosh.
it's going to keep you up all night long.
Well, and you know what? I used to not have a problem. Well, and I'm not claiming that I have a problem, but I could drink caffeine, tea, soda, Coke.
Anytime.
Oh,
At 9:30 at night,
yes.
10 o'clock.
Well, and I did when we
And
got
just
our
sleep
first
all
together.
night. And sleep all
But
night.
the other night, I'll be danged if I wasn't tossing and turning. And I was like, what is going on? And I am blaming it on the Coca-Cola, but I don't really want to because I don't want to
That
be
means you're
that
old.
way. I know. I don't want to be like that.
Yeah. You would rather do hamburger meat, that's fine too, or do both. Do a little hamburger meat, a little sausage, do some, oh my gosh, now they have little tiny baby pepperonis.
Oh, I know.
They're
yeah,
so
I love
cute.
them.
I've been putting them in
Yeah.
my cowboy lasagna. So put those in there. Make it fun. Chicken, do chicken.
Oh,
Get
you
a
know what? I love me some chicken.
I do not like chicken. I'm not a big chicken
You're
fan.
not,
You
and
are
I
a big
am.
chicken fan. But yeah, rotisserie chicken, peel it up and put it on
Yep.
here. I mean, this is going to be a
I think
great.
that's how I would do it.
You can do that. I think you should do it.
Yeah.
Do you think we should chop our spinach up?
Nah. I
Okay.
don't think so.
Okay.
Because it wilts up pretty good.
So you're just going to put this sausage right over the top of this, and then we're going to layer it with some fresh spinach. If you want to chop it up, but we're not going to. We're just going to throw it
Or
on.
you want to see my chopping skills again? That's what you were asking
Well,
for.
do you want to chop? Would you like to chop?
Not really.
Okay.
I don't think we need to.
No, we probably don't. But you do have great chopping.
Oh, thanks. You know, I went to that culinary school.
Spinach, fresh spinach, a couple of handfuls of that. I love me some spinach. All right. Now, you think that's enough?
I do, yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to put another bag of the raviolis. Oh, these are square.
Oh.
Those others were, it's Rhapsody. It's like, it's just like a mix of everything. Yeah. Play it up,
Yeah.
play it up, play it up, play it. It's going to be great. Yeah.
Wiki. Yeah.
So it's going to be like different. Circles on the bottom, squares on the top. All right, now we have another jar of our Rayos. And you can use whatever kind you like. I just think that Rayos is the best.
Yeah. It's like a ravioli casserole. Look at it.
It is going to be great, isn't it? Just cover that up really good. Let me get a little water on this. The waste not, want not. Make sure and put that all over. Okay, now we are going to top this with some mozzarella. Would you mind grabbing that aluminum foil for me? It's right on the top of this.
Is there salt and
I'm going to
pepper
put salt and pepper on
Okay,
top.
I'm like, nothing on it?
Yeah. Let's do a little salt and pepper.
I'm going to give a little shout out to Chupacabra. Gringo's Chupacabra. That stuff.
Chupacabra.
Yes, I put it on everything. It's like a seasonal. Everything that is sacred.
Gringo's Chupacabra.
Yes.
Do you
There's
know?
not any here, but.
Oh, yeah, we don't have any.
No.
I'm going to need to get some. I noticed that you used that last time I was at your house. Okay.
On everything.
All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to cover this up really good. And we're going to pop it into the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. And it's going to be bubbling hot and delicious. It's going to be awesome. All right? So into the oven we go. Off to kind of get the cheese to melt a little bit more, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful dish. And I also wanted to say something about my little pot holder things, pot grabbers, what are these? Anyway, they're Pampered Chef, and I love these things. They're like silicone,
Yeah.
and you just put them on your fingers like that, and you just grab your pots like that. They're great. So if you know of a Pampered Chef dealer, get you some. And I know a couple of Pampered Chef dealers. All right, so let's go ahead and dish this out. How much that makes. So you can just cut it in half, make little small casserole dishes full of this. You don't have to make this big old dish. We're just going to try to feed everybody some lunch today. Spinach, a little everything.
Cheers.
It's
Wow,
really
it's
good.
really,
it's really,
really
good.
good.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I see a little silhouette of a man.
Fandango.
Scaramouche, Scaramouche.
And you do the fandango.
Scaramouche, Scaramouche. Mamma mia, mamma mia.
Mamma mia, let me go.
He will not let me go.
Let me go.
He will not let me go.
Let me go.
He will not let me go. What's the other words to it?
Yes.
You got to be careful when eating this. You just want to break out in song. Mamma mia, mamma mia.
Mamma mia, let me go. This is so good.
I'm impressed.
I'm highly impressed. This is so good. And so easy.
Yes.
And
Go make this.
Fandango.
Go make this. Go make this. You will love it. You will love it. You will love it. Yes, you will. You will love it. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. This is so good, y'all.
Oh my gosh.
Go make this Ravioli Rhapsody. But be careful. You will start singing.
You're going to break out in song and rap and dance.
You're going to love it.
I got to go to work.
You will.